दोस्तों आज का वीडियो बहुत मजेदार होने वाला है बिकॉज वी हैव ए बजट कैटेगरी ब्लूटूथ स्मार्टवॉच फ्रॉम नॉइस. इट्स देयर ऑल न्यू HRX edition bounce smartwatch just launched today in the Indian market and actually offers Bluetooth calling at a very affordable price tag. A lot of people keep looking to buy like budget watches with Bluetooth calling. Now you people came to the right video, and on top of that, design is also like very sporty, guys. Look at this HRX edition round dial smartwatch with a sporty feel. So it's got like pretty interesting features, guys. 1.39 inch ka IPS LCD display, Bluetooth calling is there, IP67 dust and water resistance, and also has like built-in games also. So this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Our new smartwatch from Noise comes in this sort of box packaging. As I've told you, model is HRX Bounce. Very affordable Bluetooth calling smartwatch, guys. Costs only around like 2,499 rupees. It's available in like 5 different color variants. आज मेरे पास 2 different variant है, Jet Black and Active White. We'll be unboxing both of these and checking out in this video, guys. So first of all, now let me just show you the packaging. Very simple packaging. कुछ भी नहीं है unboxing करने का. So let me quickly just tear this outer packaging and show you directly the smartwatch. And there you go, boys. Our very first hands-on and first look at Noise HRX Bounce in Active White Edition. Oh. Very beautiful, right? We'll just come back to that in a moment. Along with that, you get a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging and some paperwork. That is it. And here you go, boys. We've got both the smartwatches in 2 different colors. Jet black on the left and active white on the right. So jet black sort of looks very classy, guys, with grey sort of accents, while white color looks a bit sporty. So here's how a closer look at the smartwatch looks like. Very nice actually for this price point. It has a beautiful looking design, guys. Round dial smartwatch. Let me just put them side by side and show you. So as I've told you just now, guys, एक वाला classy feel देती है, दूसरा वाला sporty feel है. Which one did you like, black color or white color? Let me know in the comment section. Personally यार, both of these are actually looking good. मेरे को white वाला बहुत अच्छा लगा because of the band, guys, dual tone sort of finish you're getting over here. So let me just keep one of these aside and give you like a complete overview and talk about the design, build quality and all the features of this smartwatch. Noise HRX Bounce is a round dial smartwatch, guys, and has like a 1.39 inch IPS LCD display. This outer ring, outer bezel is made of metal, while the remaining entire watch case and body is made of like plastic, guys. So it's very lightweight in the hand. You have 2 buttons on the smartwatch. This top one is your home/apps button, and below that you have the back button. And if you can observe closely, guys, as I've told you, it's a Bluetooth calling smartwatch. You obviously have like a microphone. Microphone is over here, and on the other side, I believe we have the speaker cut out. As I've told you, guys, build quality is like TK for this price point. Could have been better actually, but again, you can't complain much for this price point. At the back, you have your HR sensor, charging contacts are there, and not to miss out, watch is also fully IP67 dust and water resistant as well. But coming to the straps quality is actually nice. Look at this. It's made of like a soft silicone material, skin friendly material actually, and feels very nice, guys. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the smartwatch. Let me just put it on my hand and also show you how it looks like. Very reasonably sized smartwatch, pretty decent size screen also, and looks quite stylish when wearing. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the smartwatch, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue the video. तो भाई लोग आ गया मैं वापस टू कंटिन्यू विद द वीडियो. I've been using this smartwatch for the last couple of days and I'll be talking about my complete experience and feedback on this model. There are a lot of things I'll be sharing, guys, both pros and cons, so make sure to watch this video till the end in case if you're planning to buy this model. First of all, let me tell you about the in-hand feel and the comfort. Watch is a very lightweight smartwatch, guys, and feels quite comfortable while wearing, and especially strap quality is pretty good. It's a screen-friendly, soft material strap, and even despite wearing for a whole day na, I felt quite comfortable, guys. So definitely good points in this segment. And watch doesn't feel like a cheap quality watch, guys. Definitely it's a head turner, especially because of this metal sort of silver finished bezel over here. So let me tell you about the display quality. I've told you na, HRX Bounce comes with a 1.39 inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 240. Display quality is very good for this price point. There's good amount of detail. Everything looks crisp and clear, guys. And talking about colors bhi theek hai, especially if you're changing the watch faces now, you can definitely feel like good quality colors are coming out from the panel. Now brightness level was like very good, guys. It can go up to like 400 450 nits of brightness, and I didn't have any sort of issues checking out this display even in like outdoor bright situations also. So overall for this price point, display quality is nice. Now last week we got to check out Noisefit ka Halo smartwatch, right? Now that had like a high resolution AMOLED display. Now compared to that, this is like 50% quality, guys. That was like next level ka display tha. But but again price be double tha na, where is 2500, where is 4000 change. So obviously if you're paying more, you'll get like better quality display now, but for this price point you'll be like very happy and satisfied over here. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the home screen. We'll talk about the operating system, built-in apps and features and all of that. So as usual guys, all of these noise recent smartwatches have similar apps, features, even the UI is also same. There is nothing new over here, so I won't be going in depth and talking about all of that. As usual, on the home screen you can check out the watch faces. By default you get around like 4 pre-installed watch faces, but nothing to worry, you can download even more cloud-based watch faces. I think up to like 150 plus watch faces are available in the compatible NoiseFit app, which you can install on your smartphone guys. Now talking about the home screen, swiping down will give you like a status panel. Lots of quick settings are available and also shows you like smartwatch battery level, Bluetooth connection status, date and time and all of that stuff. Swiping up on the home screen gives you your notifications area. Here you can check out all your recent missed calls or maybe like SMSs, messages and all that stuff. And now swiping left on the home screen gives you access to your favorite widgets on the home screen. First of all, you have the fitness page. This shows you how many steps you've taken, distance travel, calories burned for that particular day, followed by health related shortcuts are there like 24/7 HR measurement app and blood oxygen, SpO2, breathing exercises and a couple of other widgets. So that's it. And now in case if you want to access the complete list of apps and features present on the smartwatch, you can easily do that by pressing this top right button over here. And there you go boys, now you got like the complete list of apps on the smartwatch. Plenty of apps are available guys, and as usual menu is like very similar. You have your noise health suit application built in, sport mode application is also there. The watch can track up to like 100 different sport activity tracking, and as usual guys you can check your number of steps taken, distance travel, calories burned, 24/7 real-time HR monitoring. Only thing it's missing is GPS. Again, for this price point you cannot expect GPS over here, पूछो ही मत. And moving on guys, you've got your noise bus application. This is your Bluetooth calling application. Yes, the watch has like onboard microphone and speaker, so you can obviously make and answer calls from the smartwatch only. We'll come to that point in a moment. Along with that, you've got your AI voice assistant toggle option is also there. And crazy thing is, for this price point, Noise is also offering a couple of built-in games. You're getting like Flappy Bird and one more hamster game is there, so time pass ho jayega aapko. This was missing on the NoiseFit Hello last week and I told them as a feedback, and now they came back with built-in games. So really appreciate Noise for taking this feedback. And moving on guys, as usual you have your remote music player control. You can control the music that is being played on your smartphone, and yes, you do have like remote camera function available as well. And all your smartwatch clock related apps are available, like alarms is there, countdown is there, timer function is available. Only thing that was missing on the smartwatch is calculator guys. I don't know why all the recent smartwatches that Noise has been launching do not come with a calculator app. Kya hua bhai? That's like a very useful application. Let's see, maybe Noise will take this also as a feedback. And in the general settings now, you can do things like change the watch face, adjust the brightness of the smartwatch, screen timeout settings, raise to wake function on off, and these sort of stuff. Now you people might ask a question like, does this smartwatch have like always on display? Nahi yaar, you don't have an AMOLED display on this thing now, so you're not getting always on display on this model. Keep that in mind. So that's it. These are all the built-in apps and features. So let me talk about the health related applications. As I've told you, you have the entire Noise Health Suite application available over here, and you can do a variety of things like track 24/7 HR monitoring, blood oxygen SpO2 monitoring, breathing exercises, sleep data analysis, and all these functions are available. These functions were doing a good job and giving accurate sort of readings almost 90% of the time guys. No issues over here. Now comes the important part guys. How is the Bluetooth calling quality? Everybody keeps asking this only. So yes, you have Noise Bus application over here and has built-in microphone and speakers. You can literally place a call and talk to anybody from your smartwatch only. You don't even need to take your smartphone out of your pocket. And first of all guys, here's how the application looks like. You have your favorite contact section where you can save up to like 8 favorite shortcuts for your contacts and literally have like one touch Bluetooth calling using this application. And apart from that, yes, you do have like a dialer also built in. You can dial in any number and call from the smartwatch only. So let me tell you about about the experience, so Bluetooth calling on this smartwatch was like pretty good, guys. Microphone quality was very good. I've tested with a lot of people, and all of them could clearly hear and understand what I was speaking. So I was usually using this smartwatch at around 1 feet distance from my face, and these were the results I was getting. Very good quality microphone on board. And coming to the speaker quality was also nice. It was producing like crisp and clear sound. I could easily understand what the other person was speaking, and output was also like ठीक है guys. For indoor sort of usage, na, it's fine, no issues. But if you go to outdoor situations, there you might face a bit difficulty hearing what the other person is speaking, because you might have a lot of traffic noise, disturbances, and all that. Na? That time you might have to place the watch like very close to your ear to get the sound from the speaker.
మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ సరైనది కాదు. దయచేసి మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ని సరిచూసుకోండి. The number you have dialed is invalid. Please check the number you have dialed.
We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. The watch comes with a built-in 230 mAh battery, and as you people know, right, Bluetooth calling और battery life दोनों आपको एक साथ नहीं मिलेंगे. Battery life is not that great on Bluetooth calling smartwatches. So if you're like a light user, you use Bluetooth calling like very less, and mostly use this watch like a simple watch and accessing these features like once in a while, you can expect around 6 to 7 days of battery life on a full charge. But if you're like a heavy user, you use that Bluetooth calling a lot daily, and also brightness set to around like 80%, 90% now, then you can hardly get around like 1 day of battery life. So these were the results I got during my testing period. Well, that's it, our review on Noise HRX Bounce. See, if you're a guy looking for an all-rounder smartwatch with Bluetooth calling on budget, you can definitely go for it. Only a few things I felt were calculator app was missing, speaker's output was a bit less, and battery life could have been better. That's it. Apart from that, everything else was great. The watch is available at an introductory price offer of around 2,499. Later, it will cost you around like 2,799 rupees. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about this model. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.